Recording. So we came to that valley now.
Yes, we did.
Yes, and it's already, I don't know, 40 something degrees.
Yeah, it's hot. So get on your bike.
Okay, I'm doing that.
Death Valley.
$1 gallon. Now, how much ferry?
I'm gonna pay $5.6.
Oop, those drops, get those drops.
Yeah, it's so expensive. Hello. So we came to immigrant campground.
Yes, nothing fancy, but
Yeah, but it's around 5 p.m. now and we get really tired. It's too hot.
you can see our red cheeks here. Like basically we're riding a motorcycle,
I cannot see anymore.
wearing a helmet all day, right? Yeah, I'm wearing this as well and putting just sunscreen again because we're just getting sunburned. It's still
Yeah.
hot.
But the around and I think the around and the view is nice.
It
anyway.
is, absolutely.
But anyway, we open everything. They need to get dry in one way. Yeah, you can. I will show you. Like our socks is totally wet, and we put everything. You can see the view. View is also nice. We'll see in the night. I'm sure we will see a lot of stars.
I'm sure about that as well.
Smell is petrol.
It is petrol.
I'm just waiting the coffee.
Yeah, it's nearly boiling, so that's why I'm getting ready my coffee.
Oh, very good. I'm very dark. Very nice.
Yeah, because the sun is behind you.
Yeah, I loved it.
But I have hot water for you.
Okay, thank you. And I have a cream as well. Very luxury life. What was the gem? What was the?
Glamping. Well, this is not really glamping, okay?
Okay. It's not so. Ooh, I cannot block. Yeah, I blocked it now. But I can see myself. Oh, again. Yes. Where we are? Enjoy.
We are now at Immigrant Campground.
Where we came from?
We came from here at Death Valley Junction.
Okay.
And we passed. We went to Dante's View. We ride a little 20 Mule Canyon. We went to Zabrisky's Point. Yeah, we passed Furnace
Okay.
Creek.
But I'm not going that side now. It's too hot.
Here, you got the racetrack. What looks like interesting, but it's riding as well that you need high clearance vehicle for it. Plus, it's
We are high clearance, but
Yeah,
heavy
high
duty
clearance.
tires and
heavy duty tires, and with this hot, I'm not sure that's really clever.
no, it's not clever for me. I already decided.
So, then tomorrow, because we will sleep tonight at Immigrant Camp. Tomorrow we'll turn like this road a little back. You got some dunes, the mosquito dunes. So we'll pass there, take a look, and then we will go to Badwater, like really the Death Valley.
Yeah, with my shadows, I cannot make really good videos, but sorry guys.
You can't have it all.
I am so tired to take a tripod or something
Yeah,
now.
you got like Artist Drive, we will do. You got a natural bridge. You got a Devil's Golf Course. Badwater, all the road will go to Shoshone and back to Vegas. Gulchin.
Ah, finally, you're making a video from me. I'm the main character here, you know? But he's not care anymore. Sometimes you need to make a video from me.
I'm making videos from you with my GoPro
Yeah,
when I'm riding.
Wait, sun is coming. Sun is coming. Breakfast time. Still people are sleeping.
Recording.
So it's almost 7 a.m. We will hit the road again. And that valley, yeah, I cannot talk because I'm already boiling with the clothes. The waiting ferry. I'm not sure we will do what we are planning today. It will be too hot. We are going right, I guess.
Uh-huh.
Clear?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Ferry.
Okay. No, let it go, let it go. It's okay, let it go, eh? Never a problem.
I closed the door.
Mhm.
Very well. Very nice. You didn't recording, right?
No, of course not. I don't have a recording.
My phone is that side to take a photo.
My phone is in my tank back if you want to take a picture.
How I lost my balance?
Because it's going down like this.
I'm sorry. I'm talking with my bike. She's watching TV with a little different way. Yeah, I think so. I'm sorry. Huh? No, I think we can handle it. We'll see. Turn this one to me. Okay. Yeah, okay. Most likely, if you push it from it will go up again, yeah. Yeah, the first is, yeah, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we need to learn because we are going so much remote place. Thank you. Yes. Okay. This time I get really damaged. Yeah, it came directly to the stone. No, it's like I never open, I think, my side back. Soon. Yeah, very quick lunchtime. We couldn't find any shadow. We have very lovely sand dunes behind. Who's going to walk there?
We did it in Colorado.
Yeah, so we are not doing here now. With 45 degrees. So when we find shadow,
We gotta use it. We're now in Fernand's Creek. This is like the hottest place on earth.
yeah. How many gallons water we were carrying?
We carry 5 with us,
5 or more.
I think.
Yeah.
5 few bottles, so 5.5, I guess. We got like 2 left.
Yeah, less than 2.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we are drinking more than 1 gallon in a day. So we decided to go back.
Yes. It's hot.
We will come back here another time.
We can pass through another time. We're going to a like little cooler place.
Yeah, destinations are so far here to go to, you know, to do some little off-road or some activities. And it's too hot. Tarmac is like a boiling. I think it will melt totally my tires soon.
We have very good boots.
Ooh, wow.
Yes, they're very good.
45 degrees? Okay.
Honestly, they're waterproof. Like they're rock
Yeah.
solid.
No.
Very hot.
So see you later, guys.